You know what? Someone's at the door. I gotta go.
No, there's not. I just locked all the doors and windows. You have to play yo-yo chess with me now.
No, I don't. I can hang up. Ha ha ha.
You can't hide, because the first place I'd look would be in your basement.
What the? You're here?
I thought you wanted to play yo-yo chess, because I really love yo-yo chess.
Walk through the timeline like a lightning, yeah. Broke out the light in the basement like a lightning. Carousel in the cage, okay. I can't walk the timeline like a lightning. I walk with it to the first birth of the doctor destroys of God. It's us on our ship to be safe to call her in the road, but she never come back. No. I kill everything around me, but having no remorse. We broke your doors, I probably go back with my rattle. Tell her to be the real man. Kill the nigga. I smoke the OCD, feel like OCD. Nigga beg, I act for else like a jibby. Make nigga rolling like a jibby. Say it's strong in their boss like I am Jibby. And so AB stitching off her back is Jibby's. I wish as they pray I been got that. This Chris Brown, baby. I eagle dip in this shit. Yeah, got the lid and lay down at that big on my 60 deal. Yeah, I get what up, diamond line like a lining. Broke it out the line the basement like a lining. Yeah, because that's a cynic kid in the game. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get broke up the diamond line like a lining. I get back to that like a wolf. I keep broke up the diamond line like a lining. I keep broke niggas in the past like a wolf.
I'm the last one. I'm in too deep now. Took them just for fun, cause I keep getting late, no. I keep getting late now. I wanna see utopia, don't wanna lie.